Forget lemon water, this is the new discovery for body detoxification and weight loss, and it works perfectly. Getting rid of the fat from the belly area is one of the most challenging things ever. Well, at least you thought that until now. If you use the proper way, you can quickly and effectively lose weight and eliminate the fat. For that purpose, we have an amazing drink that will improve the function of your metabolism, detoxify your body and help you lose weight. Ingredients: ginger, grapefruit, water, cinnamon. This perfect combination will burn your fat quickly, thus help you lose weight. Grapefruit is a powerful fruit that has the ability to remove toxins, burn fat, and boost your metabolism. In addition to regulating blood sugar and boosting metabolism, both critical elements of healthy weight loss, ginger and cinnamon, would potentially increase circulation, help to cleanse the colon of excess waste and ease indigestion. Consume this before going to sleep so it can act during the night. While we sleep, our metabolic rate increases, meaning that the process of burning calories is optimized automatically. Check out how to prepare this incredible drink. You will need 2 grapefruits, 1/2 a cup of warm water, a spoonful of ginger juice, 1/2 a teaspoon of cinnamon. Directions: mix well the ingredients and that is it. Your drink is ready. You should take this drink before going to sleep for 12 days. In this way, you will boost the work of your metabolism. After you finish the last day, you should make a break of 3 days. Then, you can repeat the procedure for 12 more days. This beneficial natural remedy will increase your energy levels, boost your metabolism, detoxify your body, and improve your health in general. The best part is that you will reduce the amounts of fats in the belly area and eliminate the excess pounds.